The following movie will tell you the story of the transformation of a raw product into a worldwide manufacture in a production center. The stages of this manufacturing journey are composed of selectivity, experience, high technology, and respect for nature. Requiring knowledge, capability, and technology, the name of this production center settled on an area of 420,000 square meters with a production base of 120,000 square meters factory space and established in 1974, Oguz Textile Company. Now, let's begin the great journey of production process in Oguz Textile. In the production base, everything begins with the transportation of the fiber from the warehouses to the production line. This is a self-integrated spinning mill equipped with the world's best machines. The transformation of raw fiber into yarn occurs here. The ultimate versions of twisting and doubling machines with the capability of twisting both double-layer elastane fibers and fibers with no elastane produce 600 tons of manufacture. The quality control of the production process under globally accepted standards is examined and tested in a laboratory equipped with the instruments of Uster Technology Company. The weaving mill requires 3 different units. Before the fibers are transformed into marvelous fabrics on the weaving looms, they are deliberately processed in the sizing and warping machines with a capacity of more than 150,000 meters in order to be prepared. At Oguz Textile, the weaving process is practiced in 3 different weaving halls that are designed for specific product lines. In these halls, more than 300 high technological weaving looms produce. For Oguz Textile, production quality comes first. Therefore, each meter of the finished raw fabric is selectively checked in terms of quality control and high-quality standards. As being the supplier of the giant brands of the world, Oguz Textile owns globally competitive machinery in dyeing and finishing factory as well. The capacity of daily production is 80,000 meters for HT jet dyeing machines. The capacity of daily production is 150,000 meters for 13 textile stenter and finishing machines. The total production capacity of the special finishing process after dyeing is 150,000 meters per day. Oguz Textile is the leader of Turkey in terms of the capacity of raising and shearing machines that are used in production of lifting the hairy surface of the winter fabrics. Daily production capacity is 60,000 meters. Like in every unit of the factory, each meter of every finished fabric is tested selectively in terms of quality control in here. In the fully equipped laboratory, all the tests that are related to dyeing and finishing process are practiced. Oguz Textile is a 100% integrated and eco-friendly establishment. From the beginning to the end, it embraces the principles of an environment-friendly production process, as well as caring about occupational safety and health. It values the fact that the treatment of wastewater is a must within the establishment. The guarantee of quality and high standards at Oguz Textile comes from the quality management and observation meetings that are held every morning. All the executive managers that are related to the production departments examine the finished products of the previous day and observe the quality. The guarantee of the scheduled delivery is in the meetings of production and delivery process management that are held twice in a week. In these meetings, the company is tested in terms of production delivery deadlines. In order to be globally competitive, the Department of Product Development, working with fashion and trends-oriented, and the Research and Development Unit are crucial for Oguz Textile. The primary element of the production process at Oguz Textile is the employees. More than 1,200 employees work together in harmony with a team spirit. Behind the production process at high standards, there is a qualified and capable manpower, ensuring that Oguz Textile can look ahead confidently. Following the world market closely, Oguz Textile is constantly keeping an eye on making new investments in order to meet the increasing demands. According to the Board of Directors' strategic meetings, the direction of the new investments is determined. Settled in an organized industrial zone in Turkey's pioneering industrial city of Adana, Oguz Textile has been producing for the prominent companies of the country, requiring the principles of accuracy and technology. In today's global world, becoming the center of attention for those looking for high quality and productivity, Oguz Textile is purposefully proceeding on its way with full ambition and the high motivation of its customers. The pioneer establishment of its sector, Oguz Textile.